Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة آل-E-Imran إن الذين كفروا لن تغني عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم من الله شيئا وأولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون. Translation: Indeed, those who disbelieve, neither their wealth nor their children will be of any help for them against Allah, and it is they who are destined to be the companions in hellfire where they will live forever. Simultaneous comparison is a unique style of Quran in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explains the opposites of different things one after another, and this is a very impressive way to convey the message in the hearts of people. And here in these ayahs, the ayah I just recited in the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining about the non-believers, as in the previous ayahs the believers were mentioned. So those people who are disbelievers, their wealth or their children will not be of any help. They will go in the hellfire and will stay there forever. In this world, whenever somebody is in problem, they use their wealth and their children. These are the two things that are used to combat any difficult situation in this world. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not going to be impressed with either wealth or children of anyone, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who gave wealth and children to everyone. So He will never be impressed with these things. And these people, if they don't have the iman and they don't have the good deeds, they will go in the hellfire and will stay there forever. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, مَثَلُ مَا يُنْفِقُونَ فِي هَذِهِ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا كَمَثَلِ رِيحٍ فِيهَا سِرٌّ أَصَابَتْ حَرْثَ قَوْمٍ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ فَأَهْلَكَتْ وَمَا ظَلَمَهُمُ اللَّهُ وَلَكِنْ أَنفُسَهُمْ يَظْلِمُونَ. Translation: The example of what they spend in this worldly life is like the freezing windstorm that strikes and destroys the harvest of that nation whose people did injustice to their own souls, and Allah does not wrong them, but they wrong to themselves. The disbelievers and the enemies of Islam spend their money, but they spend their money to get the fame in this world, to get the worldly pleasures, not thinking if anything is permissible or prohibited, including indecency. Also, they spend to destroy Islam and to overcome Muslims and to make Muslims suffer. This type of spending is like a freezing wind that blows on a harvest which is ready to be cultivated, and it destroys it completely. So that the farmer who had that land was very happy just before this wind blew and was very arrogant and planning about the future. But as soon as the wind blows, the freezing wind blows and the harvest is destroyed, he has nothing left in his hands. The same result will be for those who spend for this worldly fame and these worldly pleasures and spend against Islam and Muslims. No one can say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has wronged them. Indeed, these unfortunate people wronged themselves by spending the wealth given by Allah in sinful ways. The spending that does not have sincerity in the heart and is done to achieve the worldly benefit is not accepted. Oh Allah, help us spend in your path that has full sincerity in it. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.